Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 9th of February. And first of all, national news. Former Supreme Court Judge A.M. Khanvilkar likely to be next Lokpal. Sources. Three women officers represented India at World Defense Show in Saudi Arabia. Economy was in fragile state. Crisis situation in 2014. Center's white paper. New Delhi World Book Fair 2024 to be held from 10th to 18th February at Pragati Maidan. Lok Sabha passed finance bill. India suspended free movement regime with Myanmar. Trying to complete Chennai Bengaluru Greenfield Expressway by December. Nitin Gadkari. UPA made economy non-performing in 10 years. Modi government's white paper. PM Modi bid farewell to retiring Rajya Sabha members, commended Manmohan Singh legacy. And now some international news. NASA climate satellite blast off to survey oceans and atmosphere of a warming Earth. Papua New Guinea's Prime Minister became first Pacific leader to address Australia's parliament. Israel PM Netanyahu ordered troops to prepare for push into Rafah. US Supreme Court to hear landmark case on Trump re-election eligibility. January was world's warmest on record, EU scientists said. Now some sports news. New dates for under 20 under 15 championships announced by ad hoc committee of Wrestling Federation of India. India to face Bangladesh in final of the Four Nations SAF Under 19 Women's Championship 2024 in Dhaka. Women's FIH Hockey Pro League, Australia defeated India 3-0 in Bhubaneswar. Chennai Open ATP, Sumit Nagal reached quarter-finals. Now news related to business. Coal sector showed highest growth of 10.6% among 8 core industries for December 2023. Aircraft manufacturer Airbus gave biggest export order of aircraft door to be produced in India. RBI retained repo rate at 6.5% for 6 consecutive time. Show sensitivity to exporters in view of Red Sea crisis. Finance Ministry to PSU banks. RBI has shared list of 442 lending apps with its ministry. Now, science-related news. Bronze Age treasure contains items made with iron from beyond planet Earth, a study said. 2023 likely hottest in 1 lakh years. Scientists call it a warning to humanity. And that's all in news. Thank you.